Hey dudes, welcome to the Godette Dash tutorial, where I'll be getting you orientated to the Godot engine, getting all information on what you need to know, while creating something fun and cute. So let's get started.
First, we're going to go and create a new project. I'm going to place this right in desktop. So desktop. We're going to call this Godette Dash, just like that. Create folder and create an edit. And then once it gets all loaded up, we're not going to get creating anything right away. First, we're going to create our file structure. Now, this is my personal file structure. There's different ways to do this. This is just how I prefer to do my file structure, and it is by no means the perfect structure. Everyone does it their own way. The idea behind this structure is that you can find whatever you're looking for without having to think about it. So, if you want a scene, you'll know it belongs in the scene folder. If you want music, you'll be in the audio folder. There's no misclicking on the wrong file type when having multiples of the same name but different type of file. So we're going to right click here. We're going to create a folder. We're going to call this audio. Then we're going to do this again for graphics. And then again for scenes and scripts. So scenes, scripts, and bam, we're good here. We're actually going to go a little ahead, and we're going to add music and sound effects as subfolders. That way they're split between the two, so you know which one you're looking for. You can go right for that one. No need to think about it too hard. So now we're going to go to project settings. We're going to stick in general for now. We're going to go all the way down to 2D physics. Here, we're going to start making our collision layers. So we need a border, player, danger, and collectible layers. So the border is just going to be telling the game what the player can't pass through, what it hits. The player layer is obviously just going to tell the game what the player is. The danger layer is going to tell the game if the player hits this is going to hurt the player. And then the collectible layer, that's going to tell the game what you collected by the player. Alright, so now we're going to be going to the input, so input maps. I personally prefer to just delete all of these right here. Makes life a lot easier. And now we're going to create 5 different inputs. We have move up, move down, move right, and move left, and accept. Now what move up is going to do is going to allow us to move up. Move down will allow us to move down, and then right and left the same thing. Let's move right or left. Alright, and we're going to, for accept, it's going to be enter. It's going to allow us so that if you don't have a mouse, or if you want to add controller support, we can start the game up by just clicking the accept button or the start button. Now to add controller support, all you need to do is go to joy button or joy axis. Just use the analog stick for this case. So these devices are for multiplayer basically. Each device you plug in will have an ID number. By default, we'll use device 0 to keep things simple because that's player 1. So what we want is left stick up. And then we want to go down here. Oh, did not mean to hit the dead zone. We will do left stick down. Right and left will be the same as well. Right and left. Which is nice because when we do the left joystick, it's already there for us. So we just hit add, and that's what we're going to need for this entire game. Okay, cool. So that's it for this tutorial. We have a complete setup for our game. In the next tutorial, we'll be creating the player's script and get more into what scenes, scripts, and nodes are. Because right now we don't have any of these. We don't have anything. All we have is a setup. And that's where we're going to end this at. So see you guys then.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, I did the programming for this tutorial, and my friend Zach did the art for it. So if you love the assets, just know, my guy Zach is the one that made those. And make sure to check out the next video. If you did enjoy, remember to like and subscribe. because from now on, I'm going to be uploading tutorials every single week. If you want something specific for you to be made, just comment below, and I will either do a live stream of it, or I will put it on a video first for an actual tutorial series. So see you guys later.